Legit na Taiwanese restaurant sa Glorieta, Makati ba kamo? I-try hard nga natin. Fat Fook means big luck or prosperity in Chinese. At sa dami ng kakainin ko ngayon, matinding blessing talaga ang tatanggapin ng tiyan ko today. And here are my thoughts. Yung Taiwanese sausage itself, similar ang texture sa Hungarian sausage, pero medyo close sa Korean sausage ang lasa. With the special sauce and toppings though, it's an entirely different experience. Itong shrimp and pork wonton noodles naman, ine-expect ko ng kalasa siya ng usual Chinese wonton soup, but no, the dried shrimp flavor is definitely a positive twist. Kung familiar naman kayo sa Szechuan style ng mapo tofu, don't worry because Fat Fook's version is milder in terms of spiciness level. Compulsory po ang white rice with this dish because it's a little bit on the salty side. Pinaka-favorite ko namang papakin itong salt and pepper chicken cubes nila. It's really tasty and the flavors are well integrated into the breading and meat. Pwedeng stand alone naman itong black pepper beef fried rice with all its veggies and meat. Despite its appearance, very subtle lang ang lasa nito. Similar ang taste nitong fried pork chop at salt and pepper chicken cubes from earlier. Ang daling papakin din ito pero best served pa rin with rice and sweet and sour dip. Yung bottled fruit tea naman nila, tama lang ang sweetness at malalasahan mo pa rin yung earthy taste ng tea with the fruit which I like very much. Siyempre, nag-Xiaolong bao din tayo and I was not disappointed. Ang sarap ng soup at meat sa loob, lalo na pag naidip na sa special vinegar. And finally, for dessert, nagmasachi ako. Glutinous rice balls ito na may lotus cream filling topped with ground peanut. Sweet and nutty, I'd say it's closer to peanut tikoy than buchi. Yun, solved! Fat Fook is located at the second floor of Glorieta 1 in Makati. Dito mo ba dadali ng office mates mo? Like and follow for more.